Hey guys, it's Katie Lendel here. What I'm going to share with you guys in this video is how I was able to make 2,400 in the last 2 weeks online. So let's dive right in. But before that, I wanted to welcome you to my channel. If you are new here, if you're watching my video for the first time, welcome. And what I'm sharing on this channel is how to make money online, how to build an online business, and how to create that freedom in your life that every one of us wants. So if you're interested in these type of videos and trainings, go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to have you here as a tribe member. So let's dive into the training here. I'll go ahead and go over to my Kartra account so you can actually see my results and how many visitors I was getting, sales, and everything like that. As you can see, the dates are from April 4th to April 18th, which makes it exactly 2 weeks. And as you can see, the commissions over here, it's $2,400. The reason I'm creating this video for you guys is, I wanted to give you guys some value, some trainings, and some tips on what you can do to actually start making money online if you haven't started yet. Or if you did, so that you can actually scale your business. My online commissions are usually different from week to week, but I wanted to share with you guys in this video what I was able to get in the last 2 weeks. So, and how I was able to actually make it happen. So, if we look at, how many visitors we got, it was 667 to my website that I'm promoting. And this is, obviously we can see the commissions and everything like that. How many sales I was getting per week, as you can see here. And what I'm going to share with you guys is exactly how I was able to make this happen. So the first thing what you need to have is a product. You definitely need to have a product or a service that you're going to promote. And in my case, I was promoting a product. I'm promoting digital products. So to make this happen, I was promoting a digital product. And the second thing that you're going to need is a tool. What kind of tool are you going to use to make it happen? What exactly are you going to do? How are you going to utilize that tool? And I'm personally using Kartra for all my current promotions for the whole business. It's an all-in-one business platform, so I don't need to have any other tool out there except like PayPal to get my money, or Stripe to actually have a merchant that that pays out the money. But the rest of the things I am doing with Kartra. If you want to learn more about Kartra, go ahead and check out the link below this video. So what I was doing is, first of all, I was doing email marketing, and I will actually go ahead and show you the emails, the subject lines, and things like that I was sending out. Also, not only that, I was sharing this product on my social media platforms. So like Facebook, some on Instagram, some on Snapchat, YouTube, and yeah, these are my 4 top traffic sources where I get my traffic. I will go ahead and share with you guys the emails first that I was sending out. So here are the emails and the analytics actually. So it was sent out to like 4,600 something people. And this, we can see how many people actually opened and clicked and things like that right here. It's always different with a different product, different promotion. It's always going to be different numbers here. So I'm just sharing with you guys what I've been experiencing with this promotion here that I have been running for the last 2 weeks. Also, I forgot to mention that it's not my own product that I was promoting in the last 2 weeks. It was just an affiliate product that I was promoting. And what I also did, I've created a bonus page. I will actually share with you guys really quick. This is my bonus page that I was actually offering to people. For those who will purchase the product, they will actually get access to my personal coaching if they're one of the first 15 buyers. Also, my bonus to the online business lounge that I'm going to be launching pretty soon here, which is my membership area, and I will actually show you really quick. Hold on, let me go to it. Here it is. Here's my online business lounge. This is a full membership site where I have my all of my trainings about social media marketing, like Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube marketing, and things like that. Email marketing trainings, seven-figure earners mastermind, interviews that I did with 7 and 8-figure earners, who shared exactly what they are doing in their business to build their business, and the online success blueprint. So I basically give access to this whole online business lounge to those who are, purchasing the product that I was promoting in the last 2 weeks and still promoting. So another tip for you guys, if you're promoting any kind of affiliate product, if you create a bonus page, your own bonuses that you're going to give away to those who are actually going to purchase that product through your link, it will definitely increase your conversions. So bonus page is very important. It's crucial to your success in affiliate marketing. So let's go and just summarize it all, what I've actually shared with you guys here. First of all, you need to have a product. In order to make money online, you need to have a product or a service. In my case, it was just an affiliate product that I was promoting in the last couple weeks. So you need to have a product. You need to have a tool that you're going to use to do email marketing. If you haven't started building your list, definitely start building your list as soon as possible, because your list is like an asset, and you have those loyal followers and loyal friends that you have on your list that you are helping to build their business and recommending things to them that they can use to build and scale their business. So definitely start building your list if you haven't yet. And if you don't know how to start building your list, I do have, trainings and things like that in my online business lounge. And in order to get access to it, you can either wait, subscribe to my channel and wait until I post a video that my online business launch is finally live, or you can simply get Kartra. If you click the link below this video and get access to Kartra, which you will obviously need, it's a tool that's going to help you build your business. If you get access to Kartra, and I will go ahead and give you access to my online business lounge as a bonus when you purchase Kartra through the link below this video. So you will definitely need a tool, to build your online business. And Kartra is one of the best tools out there because it has everything that you need in order to build a successful online business. For example, like list building, email marketing, you can do with it. Funnel creation, they even have done for you funnels. All you have to do is just import it into your Kartra account and customize it to fit the product that you're promoting. So it's done for you, high converting funnels that we have in there. Marketplace that has so many different affiliate products that you can choose from to promote. Basically, all that you're gonna need to build a successful online business is Kartra. So I would highly suggest you to go ahead and click the link below and check it out. So, and then all you have to do is just drive traffic to the affiliate link that you're gonna get when you become an affiliate of a product, of a specific product. So you need to have a product to promote, then you need to have a tool that you're gonna use to promote that product, like Kartra, and then what you're gonna need to do is just drive traffic to your affiliate link. Either your affiliate link or your bonus page, or you can create your own funnel. I do it in a variety of different ways. I drive some of the traffic to my affiliate link, some of it I drive to my bonus page, and I also create my own funnel to promote an affiliate product, and I drive traffic, some of the traffic to my own funnel. But when you're starting out, you can simply start out driving traffic to an affiliate link of the product that you will choose to promote. And if you want to know which product would be best to promote, I do have also a training about it in my online business lounge that you can find how to choose the right product and the good product to promote. So that's basically it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. I will link more trainings on Kartra and what it is and what you can do with it below this video, so go ahead and check those out as well. And definitely go ahead and check out what is Kartra and how you can actually build your business with it and how you can make money with it by clicking the link below this video. Go ahead and comment below if you got some value from this video, and also if you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to comment below this video as well. Alright, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye, blessings.